Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, of course general settings, and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we are not able to customize right now. It is because we are using both automatic date time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to start with turning off all of those switchers. So let's simply tap on them, just turn them off, and now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Tap on OK, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just set it, just choose it from this clock, and obviously it will be immediately applied to the status bar. There we've got the time zone, so let's simply tap on this option, tap on the region, and of course we've got full list of available regions, so just find yours and tap on it. Okay, nothing changed, so let me choose this one, for example. It will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It will be affected. It's quite normal. Under it we've got the time format, so basically we can either use local default, which is kind of an automatic option, or we can manually decide whether we want to use 24-hour format, so we will have this option turned on, or the 12-hour one, so just turn off this switcher. This is the manual customization. Of course, you can always come back to all previous settings just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.